Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Rafi and my partner Sultan Faidh Kamal. We are from Group 10 and we are going to present a presentation about 5-star finance web. First, background. The importance of cloud computing for business growth. The significance of cloud computing for a business is absolutely crucial because of the impact it creates. Cloud computing is present for over 2 decades and has a lot of benefits over the conventional way of operating business. The prominent benefits are cost saving and business efficiencies. About the web. This application is used for promoting and gives information about five-star finance mobile app so that people can see what is five-star finance is all about and to convince people to download the app. Deploying and implementing cloud. So we are using JavaScript for uploading to the cloud, Java server page for the page, and Google App Engine, Firebase for the storage, and also cloud computing. So thank you for me, and the next session demonstration will be continued by Sultan.
Alright, now I'm going to do the demo. First, we must um, deploy the app engine by right click it and uh, deploy to app engine standard and deploy. And then, because I'm already deployed, so we can go to the browser and open our website. Go to this link. Then press enter, and we enter the index in home page. So in here we explain what is five-star finance with all of its features, advantages, pricing plan, customer stories, and the contact us. Then we fill the contact us. Let's type in Rafi. Then Rafi, Rafi at gmail.com. Enter message. Yes. For project. Send message. And the message is sent successfully. Then we reload the page. Then we are going to move to the admin menu. Slash admin slash login. Then enter the admin login menu where we enter the email and password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and login. We enter the admin panel where here you can see the messages. When we press this, the messages will appear in here so we can delete it. So I'm going to press this and delete this and delete it successfully. And if you want to change the password, go to change password menu and enter a new password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then save. It's success. Then if we log out and set new password and again we enter the back to the admin panel. Alright, that's it from me. That's it from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.